Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can delete a Reels watch history on Facebook. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. Now, at the upper corner, tap the three lines. Here we have settings and privacy. Tap it. Tap settings. Scroll down. Find activity log and tap activity log. Tap your Facebook activity. Tap manage posts. That's all posts, videos and reels we watched. Tap filter, then tap categories. Here selects videos you have watched. These videos includes reels also. If you want to find the video, for example, I want to find this video, just click the video, directly brings you to the video. If you want to delete, you can delete them one by one. Tap the three dots and delete. If you want to delete all the history, just clear video watch history, this one, clear. We have started clearing your video watch history. We are still processing your changes. You see, we delete all the Reels watch history on my Facebook account. That's all. Have a nice day.